Yeah, let's do a sneaker video. Oh.
You should walk away now.
What video we are doing today? Oh my god. I'm gonna show you guys how I set up my sneakers at my house for 2018. Bear in mind, 2018 we're trying to be a little bit minimalistic. It's not as many sneakers out to display like last time you seen my video where I show all my sneakers. So welcome to the Yeezy wall. This is probably the feature wall that when people come into the house, people will see, because this is, you know, even under the spotlight. And you guys know this is the Lack IKEA shelves, which, you know, you guys probably seen the Hypebeast IKEA like room setup video. You guys probably have seen this, and a lot of YouTubers out there uses this. And I used to put my NMD here, but then now it's just all my Yeezys. So I arranged them with, like, I don't know, sequence, I guess. This is the Yeezy 750s, all four of them. And then there are 350s, and then the 350 V2. So I like to follow color schemes.
There's only one shoe.
There's only one shoe?
Isn't it?
There's only one. What do you mean there's only one shoe?
There's not a pair.
Yeah, and yeah, it's only one side. It's only the right side of the shoe, because putting a pair up is not that nice, and you know, just one single shoe looks good. A lot of you ask which one is the most expensive one in my collection. I think this is the one. This is a 750 grey. Yes. The first one, the OG. I don't wear my Yeezys that much anymore. I still have other Yeezys, I think, but it's not displayed, you know, because if I display it, doesn't look nice with the color scheme. Above, I have toys, my toys. And yes, this is the first place. Let's move on to the second place, let's go. Here we are. This is actually not my display, this is actually Alicia's display. But, you know, let me just show you guys real quick what you have here. Cartier, Christian, Louboutin, heels, Gucci sneakers. Let me open it so that you guys can see it properly. Gucci, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. A very elegant Celine, a very crazy Moschino, and a very cute Furla. Diverse collection. It's a teddy bear Moschino bag, which is carrying a backpack, but this is actually a backpack as well. Her Yeezys, yeah, her Yeezys, which is OCD, not properly placed. And my pair, this is so nice that it deserved a place in here. It's my pair of, oh my god, I forgot the name of this. Princetown Gucci, I think. The rainbow UFO. This is so nice. The fur. I heard from someone that Gucci is actually going to discontinue their fur stuff, their fur collection, anything that has this kind of fur.
Animal cruelty, is it?
Because of animal cruelty.
Really? I don't
Yeah,
believe
I think
so.
so. They want to endorse. I'm not sure how credible this information is, but yeah, that's what I heard.
But it's so soft.
Yes, it's so soft.
Crazy soft.
I think the reason why I really wanted this was because of the UFO, so this one was just so I'm sorry. Back you go in here. And here we are at my vlogging background. I think I want to name it something. I don't know if you guys have any good names that you guys want to name this area, let me know down in the comment section below. But here is where I display my Yeezys, but I only
remaining.
No.
You're
my other side of Yeezys. But it's not because of space constraint, but I only display all the first versions of the Yeezy collection from Kanye and Adidas. Yeah. So all the 750s and the first 350s. Yeah, that's it. I think they look good from the back side. They have good ass. Nice ass. Yes, nice ass. And there's one pair here. The only pair that deserves to be in a cabinet display. I don't know. This is actually just a white Superstar, but it's signed by Pharrell. And there's two more things at this side of the shelf, which is sneaker related. This is one of it. It's actually the Adidas Jeremy Scott collection. It's a small mini one.
For Ariel.
For Ariel, yes, Ariel. Waiting for Ariel to come to this world. And this one,
Wala, waiting don't lah.
this one is a perfume actually. It's a Adidas Jeremy Scott perfume, and if you guys know Jeremy Scott's designs, this is one of his signature design that he did with Adidas. The perfume smells like crap, but
Really?
it looks good. Yeah, the small box as well. Oh yeah, I'll show them this as well. Because we are tight in space, you know, because we live in a 3-bedroom apartment. Boxes, shoe boxes are big, and nowadays people don't want to throw them away, so I keep them, and only my Yeezys boxes are in here. So nice to look at, and you see my feet. Speaking of shoe boxes, follow me.
Okay, stop posing.
Welcome to the bathroom. Can you hear me? I'm not sure. So yes, we have too many shoe boxes in this house. No place to store them but in the toilet. So technically, if you are a guest in this house, when you pee, when you poo, you are actually with my shoes. Oh my god, that rhymed! That rhymed! Rich Joseph in the making. So these are my shoe boxes. Most of them inside there's actually shoes. So this pair of Yeezy, Adidas gave it to me, but it didn't come with the box. So it's just lying there alone. One thing that I really worry, right, is that for example, those people who don't really pee well, the guys, might accidentally pee on my shoebox. So yeah. Guys, if you guys want to come to my house, make sure you guys train first. Alright. Okay, so this is the most embarrassing part. This is the storeroom, which you can see it's messed around. Well, I make sure that this year we'll do something good about it, but most of my sneakers are here. Come and see this mess. Oh my god. Hoarders 2.0. So bad. Yeah, boxes, and then a lot of shoes. A lot of shoes. And a lot of my sneakers, right? See? A lot of sneakers lying around. Sneaker, shoes, sneaker. And those boxes, they're actually sneakers as well. I have no idea how I'm gonna store them perfectly. I know there's drop fun like shoe boxes that stack up and looks real nice, but it's too expensive for me to buy like 200 of them. But yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with my shoes in the future. But
Sell them.
Sell them. Okay. Those of you who are interested to buy my Adidas shoes, please feel free to browse through my Instagram and let me know. Give you a good price. Okay. Okay. That's it for this video. Next video, I'm probably gonna show you guys a couple of pairs of sneakers that I got that are fresh, never wear before, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. All right. All right. Peace. Oh my god, such a mess.
See? All his clothes are here.
Off-white bitches.
Yeah, exposing everything here.
Off-white.
Then people will come like, can I go to your bathroom? Can I go to your storeroom?
I'm trying to find something hype to show them. Nothing.
Because you can't find them.
Oh.
They're everywhere.
Okay, it's a mess.
Bye.
Hey, no. Sex, guys. Sex. Banned. Yeah, buddy. But.